Okay, so here we come to the part in my presentation where I talk about the Kaizen way. We've all heard of the book, The Secret. Well, the Kaizen way really is my secret towards achieving perennial success as a salesperson, as a manager, as well as in your personal life. And it's based on three principles that I've developed over the past number of years. The first principle is the idea of continuous improvement, and that is trying to get better every single day. What's interesting is that as sales professionals and people that are motivated to achieve things in life, oftentimes we focus on the big picture. We focus on what we're trying to achieve, but we lose sight of the things that have to happen in order for us to get there. So the Kaizen way breaks down that big, audacious thing you're trying to accomplish into manageable parts by trying to get better every single day and taking yourself one step closer towards that success every single day. The second part of the Kaizen way deals with this idea of eliminating wasteful thoughts and behaviors. And Kaizen is a term that comes from the Japanese manufacturing arena, which talks about eliminating waste and talks about how to achieve success and efficiency through doing less versus doing more. So every day as sales professionals, especially in today's environment where it's more and more difficult to make the sale, more and more difficult to be successful, it's important for us to understand that it's not a matter of doing more, it's a matter of doing less. And by less, I mean looking at the behaviors that we all do every single day and looking at which of those behaviors are helping us or taking us further away from what we're trying to achieve. Also, from a thought process standpoint, are our thoughts in line with what we're trying to achieve? If you want to be the most successful rep at your company, it's very difficult to do that if you have thoughts of negativity and you think about all the things that can get in the way of that success. If you don't like the comp plan, if you don't like your customer, if you don't like your products, it's going to be very difficult to be successful. The third part of the Kaizen way philosophy has to do with this idea of the relentless pursuit of excellence. And that is really the cornerstone of the company and the cornerstone of my presentation tonight, because it talks about the idea that whatever you aspire to do in life, whatever you aspire to be, we label that excellence. And we don't use the word goals because if you look at the definition of the word goal, it means that it is the terminal point of a race. It is when things stop. But in life, things don't stop. They keep going. And what gets in the way oftentimes is that individuals just achieve a goal, but they don't think about what goes into achieving that goal, and they also don't think about how they want to live after that goal. So the idea of the relentless pursuit of excellence is the idea that you establish what your idea of excellence is, and you pursue that relentlessly, and that helps you to understand how you need to act and behave and think as you're pursuing that goal, but also after you get it, what are you going to do with the rest of your experience after you've achieved what you set out to achieve? And that is the Kaizen way philosophy that I wanted to share with all of you this evening.